Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm one among you. So today's video is super exciting because I'm finally unboxing my new iPad. I have been planning to get this for a long time, especially for content creation and productivity. So in this video, I'll show the unboxing, what comes inside the box, my first impressions, and I'll also tell why I decided to buy this. So this is the box. As always, Apple packaging is super clean and minimal. I already love how premium and luxury it feels even before opening it. Let me just show you the box properly. Oh my god. So this is the most satisfying part. If you know, you know. Oh wow. This never gets old. Yes. Just look at this. First look. It looks so sleek, so clean, and so premium. I love how thin and light it feels already. The sound is so satisfying. I chose this silver color because I wanted something that looks aesthetic on my desk setup and also looks clean in videos. Now let me talk about my first impressions. First of all, it's super light and very comfortable to hold. The build quality feels really premium and the screen looks amazing even before setting it up properly. I mainly bought this iPad for editing YouTube's content creation. So I wanted something that's fast, smooth and easy to carry around. I also feel like this is going to help me be more productive and also improve my content quality. A lot of people ask, is an iPad actually worth it? For me, I think it is because I can use it for editing, planning, watching content, and even for work or study. It depends on the individual. And speaking about the design wise, I really love how clean and modern it looks. It's simple but very classy. Now let's see what else we get inside the box. It's just a manual of how to power on set your iPad. That's also so aesthetic. I mean, just look at the cover. Next, we get the adapter, and we get the charging cable, of course. This sound also so satisfying, right? And of course, the iPad itself we get inside the box. Very simple, very minimal, like typical Apple. I actually like that they keep it clean and not too cluttered. Everything feels very organized and premium. Next, I got case for my iPad. It's really hard. Like you can see, it's really so thick. Even if iPad fallen by mistake, it doesn't have any scratches or any kind of breakage. So it's a protective case. I went black with this because silver with black combo. I think it really looks good for me. So, if you are someone who wants a device for productivity, content creation, or even just for entertainment, I think an iPad is really a good investment depending on your needs and budget, of course. So, yeah, this was my iPad unboxing and my first impressions. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And tell me in the comments, do you want a full iPad setup? I'll